So let's see today's lovely recipe of these veg spring rolls. Now here I'm going to be using one medium onion that I've sliced thinly, about 8 French beans which I've thinly sliced. Wash the French beans really well, and then I've just taken a very sharp knife and just cut them up, sideways like this into very thin slices. Then I'm going to be using one small cabbage, which again I've chopped fine, about 2 carrots sliced thinly into juliennes, 1/4 cup of boiled corn, 1 inch of ginger that I've chopped really fine, 5 large cloves of garlic chopped really fine, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. This is a slurry made of 1 teaspoon of corn flour mixed with 2 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, and half a teaspoon of vinegar. And these are some spring roll sheets which are ready made. Now I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of oil in my wok, and to that I'm going to add my chopped garlic and ginger, and I'm going to fry this chopped garlic and ginger really well. Next I'm going to add the veggies, that is the chopped up cabbage, the French beans, the carrots, and I'm going to mix everything really well together. Now we're cooking on a medium to high flame. Now I'm going to add the sliced up onions and again fry that well too. Next I'm going to add the seasoning, which is the pepper powder. Then I'm going to add the red chili sauce. Now you can add as per your taste. Then the soya sauce or the soy sauce. Mix everything really well. Next I'm going to add some salt to taste. Then goes in the vinegar. And now I'm going to add my boiled corn, and now we're going to mix everything really well. We want a little bit of a dryish mixture, so we have to fry all of this very well. And then I'm going to add this corn slurry that I prepared. So what happens with the corn slurry, you'll see in some time, that it helps to thicken the mixture and bind the mixture well together. We don't want any water in the mixture. We don't want a very watery mixture. So when you add this corn slurry or corn syrup, corn kind of mixture, it just binds everything really well together. And once this is done, you have to set it aside to cool down completely. And now we're going to form the spring rolls like this. So I've kept it in a diamond shape, like you can see. Then you're going to take about a tablespoon or so of the filling, and now you have to wrap this really well and very tight. So this looks like an envelope after you roll, and again roll it very tightly. And then you're just going to see that I just sealed it up with this corn. I made a small mixture again with half a teaspoon of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of water, a thick kind of glue. So I'm showing it to you again. It's very easy, friends. Once you get the hang of it, you'll know how to do it. So when you're doing it, just keep my video on so you can follow the steps. So just put the filling like this. Roll it up like this tightly. Bring in the edges like this. Again fold like this. And then seal it up, and then put the corn mixture and tightly seal it. And that's it. It's very simple. You will get it with practice. Just ensure that the edges are sealed very well, the sides are sealed so that the veggies are nice and secure inside the spring roll sheet. And just keep all your sheets ready, keep all your spring rolls ready. And then we're just going to deep fry them till they're nice and golden brown in color. And in this way, just see that it's properly secure. That's the most important thing. And so I prepared, the spring rolls, and then I heated up some oil in a pan. I use a kind of a wide pan if possible, so that you can fry them well, and don't overcrowd the pan also when you're frying them. And they get fried very fast, so keep an eye on them. Hardly it takes, half, even, I mean, just about even less than half a minute. The minute they turn light golden brown, just take them out and then drain them on a kitchen napkin, the excess oil like this. And that's it, friends. And then I prepared this dip or sauce. I just added some Szechuan chutney with some red chili sauce. Just do it as per taste, and you can add a little bit of ketchup also. And it's a lovely dip. And just cut them sideways like this with a nice serrated sharp knife. And these are so crunchy and so crispy. They're just really delicious. So, if you get your hands on some ready-made spring roll sheets, which are easily available now, just go for it and make it. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.